Well, good morning, everybody. I'm feeling a little better. Still getting over my cough here, so there may be some coughs throughout this video, but not contagious. And we're starting our day here, apparently with something quirky. We're in Safety Harbor, just outside of Clearwater here in Florida. And I don't know what we're going to find exactly, but we're going to find some quirky stuff. And I'm hanging out with my Tampa friends, Steve, Kyle, and Jen here. They're driving me around today. We're gonna hang out together. Oh, and Kevin, the dog down there, the poodle. So we're gonna hang out today and see what we can find. I mean, this Beetle's got everything. It's got CDs and a keyboard and pieces of circuit breakers and everything in here. Look at this. That's hilarious. So this is somebody's private property, but they do allow the public to come in. So we're gonna check it out. This place is called Whimsyland in Safety Harbor, Florida, and I guess they let people walk through and see their art. So that's what we'll do. The walkway entrance. Lots and lots of painted bowling balls. Very colorful place, huh? Ooh. Get hello to and again, more bowling balls. Tile walkway here. Little bottle tree. Wow. Old gas pump back there. It's a colorful art installation here. It's beautiful. It's pretty. Nobody would know this is here, right? Yeah, so this is a whole block here of all this art. Oh, and this guy here. Yeah. And this animal creature, I see buttons and old necklaces and tabs, and there's an old watch right there. And again, more bowling balls and bottles. I'll actually throw some GPS coordinates below, guys. If you're in the Clearwater, Tampa area and want to see something just a little different. Whimsyland. Nicely done, guys. Nice gentleman just let me know that the people who own that crazy looking house also own this house, and they rent it out. You can stay in one of their art installation homes here. So that's pretty cool. Live the life you imagined. I couldn't say it better. Thanks, guys. Stay quirky. And I love all the mini palm trees in here, about as tall as I am. Yeah, that's fun. Funny that just as I'm starting to think about leaving Florida and heading north, the weather is turning. It has been abnormally chilly in Florida since I've been here. Now the temperatures are back up into the high 80s. Like I said, 87 today. The lows at night are 70 degrees. Those are the lows. So, pretty cool. But, guys, Gulf of Mexico here in Florida. White sand. And not too busy in January. So my friends decided we're going to go eat. So we're going to head down towards Fort DeSoto and go find a nice place to grab food. Today's my cheat day, my one cheat day a week. So I can even eat a burger if I want. And, you know, also I'm really excited. I guess I'm supposed to wait till next Wednesday, but I'm a little bit of spoiler. I hopped on the scale and I'm down. I'm not going to tell you how far down until Wednesday officially, but I'm feeling really good, guys. I'm super excited. So, go hop back in the van and go get some food. All right, we followed the palm trees to Sea Critters Cafe. Well, here's the inside. Lots of fish decorations all over. Oh, and Mr. Sharky, of course. Yep. But we're gonna sit and eat outside here at the marina. Doesn't that water look really green? Super green. I love it. It's not like really, really sunny, but there's some blue sky out there somewhere. It's gonna find its way. But yeah, they have outdoor seating here. They have some animals here. Nice iguanas and stuff. Yeah. All right, let's see what they got here. Over here we got some gator bites as an appetizer. Alright, I ain't no gator hater. Ooh, that's good. Might try the sauce. Sauce might be spicy though. Mmm. Gator meat is good. All right, what we got, Kyle? What do you got?
Lobster roll.
All right.
So I got some grilled scallops, coleslaw, and coconut rice.
Nice.
I just had the plain, boring burger.
You got what I like, burger.
With sweet potato fries.
Nice. I got the fish and chips, but didn't get the chips yet. They're coming. That's a big fried piece of fish. Got sunnier out here after we ate. Oh, I'm so full. That was possibly the best fish and chips I've had in a long time. Not really healthy, good for me food if it's fried, but you know, it's my cheat day. It's my one cheat day of the week, so we'll get back to the diet tomorrow. Anyway, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go south from here. Lots and lots of people from these areas have been telling me that I need to come down to Fort DeSoto, so my friends are gonna take us down there in the van. Show you what it looks like when we get there. I've entered Fort DeSoto Park and just kind of scoping out the camp. I've never been in this area before, so kind of peeking at some of the campsites there, and some of them are kind of long sites here too, with lots of green palm trees and your very own view of the ocean. So maybe in the future one day I'll have to camp out here. How clear the water is. I like it. I like it. Well, we'll keep looking around the park. I will mark down a few of my favorite campsites around here too. I'm going to start out here at North Beach, and they got a little gift store there with some treats. They had some magnets, but wasn't too impressed. I might get one on the way out. There's nothing better, but I do see some white sand out here. It's a little windy. You can definitely feel the wind coming in, but you know, it's a warm enough day. Check out this water. Is it warm, guys?
Yeah, no, it's not warm.
Oh, it really isn't warm.
No.
Huh. Well, it's not Puget Sound cold though. Like Pacific Ocean, even in the summertime, it's still 40 degrees out there. This is comfortable. It's very comfortable. Made it out to the little sandbar out here. Look how far away I am from the beach. Woo! Oh man, Florida. I love you, Florida. I really do. Water's not that clear though, but it definitely looks turquoise out there, doesn't it? Just love being at the beach. So much to see. All these shells. Getting ready to go look at the fort. I'm gonna stop into the official gift store here at the state park. You know, I gotta find me a magnet. Oh, so there might be some magnets.
That's cute.
Okay, there might be some, but first, wait a minute. It's a Miranda necklace for Miranda the Marauder. No, I don't think I need it. Oh, the choices for magnets. Oh, kind of like that. It's kind of cool. Sand in there. Oh, like a little Shasta, Fort DeSoto Beach, Florida. I think that's my favorite. Very Florida looking. Fort DeSoto Beach, Florida. That's gonna be a winner. Actually, I have to get a new magnet because this one doesn't stay up in this position. It only has one magnet on the back, so it just falls over. It's not gonna work on the road. So I'll look through here and find something else and show you today. What I got here is just a .40 caliber gun. That's a big beast there, huh? They actually have signs all over the park that says no climbing on the guns, so apparently that's a common thing to try here. The fort. Turn you around. Well, this is the start of it. To protect Tampa Bay, you can kind of see some of the shrubbery on top of the fort to, you know, help camouflage it back in the days. Let's go check it out. Ooh, we're inside. They're like jail cells almost. I don't know what they stored in here. Head on back outside. USA, USA. Chain somebody to that. They ain't going nowhere. Ooh, that's a monster. And another gun shooting over the edge of the wall here. They are getting it done here for sure. Ooh. By the way, this is a sable palmetto, a cabbage palm tree. That's how you get to the top of the fort up there, to a ramp. there's where we were down at the bottom of the base, and here we are on top up here. You can't even tell it's a base. It's natural. And then on this side, looking for the enemy out there. A little Florida palm plant. You also got some cactus mixed in there. Okay, and then lastly here at South Beach, a little different here. The water's not as clean, the beach isn't as clean. It's just a little different down here, but off in the distance we've got the Skyline Bridge, I think you'd call it out there. Beautiful little out in the view look there. And I think what these folks are getting ready to do is kite surf. Is that what you call that? Kite surfing. Yeah. I'm gonna head on back to base camp there and check in on Jax before the sun sets. Had a fun day out here. Nice beach, nice water, nice weather. Thanks, Florida. And there's the magnet I eventually went with. A little sea turtle of sorts smiling at us. His shell says Fort DeSoto Beach. He's a happy guy, yeah. I'm gonna put him up here for a few days where I can admire him. And today is the day I depart this area of Florida. Although, like I said, I might be back for the Tampa RV show. Haven't quite decided yet. Want to thank my gracious hosts here in the area for letting me recover from bronchitis and have a nice place to stop. I've been hanging out with two buses. These are both YouTube channels, both old friends of mine and new friends of mine if you want to check them out. This is Steve's RV Travels. I'll put a link at the end of the video also. And then new channel, it's a family of 5 with dogs getting ready to go on the road. Red, White, and Bethune. Yeah, actually I'm showing this logo because Steve hates this artwork over here. He'll probably be removing it soon, but head over to Steve's channel and give him a word of encouragement and say, make some videos. Do it, Steve. Got an invite to go check out this beast right here. They are still working on it. They've been working on it for about a month here, trying to get it set up for full time for a family of 5. And they're still in the middle of building it. Let's go check it out. I think the couch sofa just arrived this morning. There we go. There's no power or lighting in here, so it's a little dark. Sorry about that, but as you can see, we went white everywhere, which really brightens and opens up the space. And Kyle finished putting in the floor just the other day. Furniture's starting to go in. Cabinets are in. Remember, this is a family of 5, so look at this. 3 bunk beds. For all 3 kids. The bathroom's here. Got some cabinets that came in for the bathroom, and then here's the shower area. They're going to be homeschooling their kids, so there's this long table here where they can set up their laptops and work online on the road. Over here, there's a dog kennel, so it's a built-in dog kennel under there. And then this is the bedroom, still being worked on, obviously. And got some new, these weren't here last time, these lights up here at the headboard. But yeah, she's a beaut. You don't have to buy an RV from the factory that's all made up. You can just buy a bus and build it however you like. That's kind of fun, right? I travel in this. So again, if you want to check them out, that's Red, White, and Bethune on YouTube. Link below in the video description, and at the end of this video I'll put a little card if you're watching on your laptop, as well as Steve's RV Travels over there in his bus. He drove that thing down from Tennessee before Thanksgiving, so he's been here in Florida for about a month or so. But it's time to get on the road, time to change things up. I'm basically to the point now where the cough doesn't bother me. I cough about, and now I'm going to cough. I was going to say once an hour. One good cough an hour. It hurts a little bit, but I'm definitely getting better. Steve and Kyle took off to pick up some batteries, some lithium batteries, so just wait until they get back. I want to say goodbye to everybody. I say a lot of goodbyes on the road. Like a lot of goodbyes. They shouldn't really be goodbyes though, because I always come back. I always do, especially Florida. You know I'm coming back. So, anyway guys, hope you have a good day. Gonna be doing some different stuff in my next video. So, see you soon. Be well from Jax and I. Bye guys.